like you guys can see, I'm chilling here in the car. I like it. It's here at Southport Beach. So yes, can you live out of your car on holiday? Yes, if you're alone or if you have a partner. But with kids, no, I will not recommend it with kids. Stay car camping. But yes, you meet interesting people. Because I try to stay 2 days at the place. And yes, you meet interesting people and you make friends, if you can say that. Yes, it's very nice. I will recommend it if you have a partner, a girlfriend and you have a spacious car, because like you guys can see, yeah, this is my bed basically. In my time, this is my bed. Yes, you can't have, what you call it, save money on accommodation and have it 5-star in the car. So yes, but so far I like it. So it's clearing up the mind. Yes.